Welcome back everyone, and welcome to this lesson where we will continue with the portfolio slide layout. Looks like this, and what's special about this layout that for this one we're going to use a grid with gutters. As you can see, we have some spaces between the rows and the columns, and these spaces are called gutters because previously we were using no gutters, and this time we will be using gutters. So let me show you how we can create this type of grid. Alright, so let's jump to our class project. Let's go to Slide Master View, and this time let's duplicate the whole Slide Master. And in the duplicate, let's delete all of the slide layouts. Let's just leave the blank one. Let's give it a different name, Portfolio. And let's rename the Slide Master itself as well. Let's name it Portfolio 2. And for a good measure, let's rename our top slide master 2. Let's give it a name, OneScale. Wonderful. So now we can create a grid with gutters, and for that we'll be using this BrightSlide plugin. You can go to brightcarbon.com and download this plugin for absolutely free. Okay, so we have 16 columns, we have 8 rows, and all that's left to do is to insert a 0.5 centimeter spaces for rows and columns. Hit OK, and the grid is ready. As you can see in the first slide master we have no gutters, and in this one we have gutters, so that's why it's useful to have two slide masters, one with the gutters and one without gutters. So now all we have to do is to create these boxes, these image placeholders for our photos. Let's go to Slide Master, insert placeholder, and let's choose picture. So the first picture placeholder should be 2x4, so 2 columns and 4 rows. So let me reduce the width of these placeholders. 2x4, that's awesome. The next one should be 4x4. Now let's fill this bottom space with a big image placeholder. Now here on the right side we should have 2x4, and let's fill the rest of the space below. Now here on the right side we should have two image placeholders 4x4, just like that. Alright, and we're pretty much finished. As you can see, we have 8 image placeholders in total, and we can easily fill them with pictures. So let's just insert a blank new slide. Let's go to Layout Options. As you can see, we have OneScale Slide Master, and we have Portfolio Slide Master with the portfolio layout. So now we can just select 8 photos, and let's just drag them and drop them into PowerPoint. And skadoosh, they have been automatically inserted into image placeholders. And of course, if you want to change any of these, you can delete a picture and choose a new one. Alright, so next let me show you how we can animate these image placeholders. To make it faster, let's just copy line animation from our previous slide. Now with the animation painter, let's just click on all of these image placeholders. Now all of these animations should be happening at the same time, and as always, if we want to make it a little bit more interesting, we can add some delays. So basically I want the bottom row of image placeholders to come down faster, and then the rest of the image placeholders with a little bit of delay. So I'm just adding a 0.1 second delay increment to all of these animations. So 0.1, 0.2, and so on. And this is how it looks like, the finished result. So ladies and gentlemen, that was it for this lesson, the portfolio slide layout. And in the next one, we will continue